Know me when I'm a slave, not when I'm king. Don't claim your royalty.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
What's up, y'all? It's Kim Makia. If you've been here before, then you already know what it is and what's up. And if it's your first time, it's a vibe and subscribe. Y'all, I'm feeling grown and sexy with this hair. This is literally one of the easiest installs that I've had from Showreal Hair. Thank you, Showreal Hair. So if you want a nice pixie cut, this is perfect for the summertime. Like, it's gonna get hot. Sometimes you don't want to deal with all that extra hair, especially if you're someone like me, like on the go. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Make sure y'all like the video, tap the screen, subscribe. We're on the way to 1K. Love y'all.
Stay fire, don't give me drama. My best friend lover, when no money, you no give honey. You wanna live daddy, big daddy.
Okay, so y'all, so this is what it looks like when I took the scarf off. What I do to frame it is I pat it down, and then you have to really concentrate at the bang type of area. Like, don't make it too rough. Like, you know, make it frilly. It could just be, it doesn't have to be super perfect, but separate it. Because when it wasn't separated, I didn't really like how it looked. But yeah, I'm really loving how it's looking now. I just pat it. I'm probably gonna do it from time to time throughout the day, just pat it, you know what I'm saying? And that's really it. I love it. This is gonna be my new thing. It's, you know, the grown, sexy pixie cut look. It's in. I'm in. So yeah, make sure y'all like, make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and shout out to Showreal Hair. They got it. See y'all in the next video. Later.